Hi everyone, today we will learn how to use Vlookup in Excel. It can be used in two types. First, to get an approximate match, and second, to get the exact match. In our first example, we have scores in column B and their respective grades in column C. Now if we want to find the grade for any student who has scored 0.85, use is equal to Vlookup. First, it will ask us lookup value means the value we have to search from the data. So we will select the score that is available at the B11 column. Then it will ask us for a table array means the data from where we have to find the lookup value. So we will select the data from cell B3 to C7. After that, they will ask for the column index number that is from selected data in which column grades are available. In our data it is available in column 2. And now at the end, it will ask us whether we want to find an exact match or an approximate match. So we have to find an approximate match in our example, so we will select true, close the bracket, and here we get the answer grade B. Now we will look why we get grade B. Vlookup formula recognizes the values from selected table in the way written in column A. For example, when our grade is between 0 to 0.59, it will reflect F grade. When our grade is between 6 to 6.9, it will reflect D grade, and so on. Now if we change the value to 0.79, as you can see we get grade C as the answer. Now we will move to second example where we will try to use Vlookup with exact match. In our second example we have list of 5 products out of which we want to find price of product 4. So to find the same we use is equal to Vlookup, then select cell E11. After we will select complete table of product and its prices. After that we will use 2 as our data is available in column 2 in selected data, and in the end we will select false to find exact match. And here we get the answer as 81 rupees. Now if change the product 4 to product 2, it will automatically change our price. However, if we type any product name that is not available in above table, it will reflect us the error. The only difference between exact match and approximate match in Vlookup is that in exact match it will try to find the same value from the table to provide us the final answer, but in approximate match it will reflect the answer on the basis of nearby numbers. I hope it is clear now how to use Vlookup formula in Excel.